Thank you for joining in, and for today's video, this one is a little bit different. I am on the go, and that is why the background is going to be a little bit different in a couple of my videos. So I thought I would do like what I take with me when I travel. So I have a bunch of stuff here that I thought I would share. I brought a few different journals. This one I've been testing out. This is a new one I got from Amazon. The Canson one, and the size on that is the 7x10. Also, I have my older Pentalic journal. I have a bunch of like ideas in there and stuff for new videos. And because I'm going to be gone for quite a while, I also have my Kahati journal there as well. That's a top favorite. And this is really like light to travel with. This one's really small too, the Pentalic. The my Canson one is a little bit bigger, but like I said, for filming purposes, I had to take a couple different ones with me there. And let's see what else. Of course, I had to take my watercolor brushes and my travel case. This came in handy. That I also found off of Amazon. And see, we have the top there, and it just goes right on top. And then, see, I'll go through a few of my favorite brushes here that I took with me. Let's see. Most of these are from the Princeton Neptune. I brought the size 4. This one is the oval, the little point, the oval shape. This one's a 1/2. And this one is a size 8. This is my bigger 12. It's good for backgrounds. And then this one is the silver black velvet 8. And then my tiny one for details, this is the Jackson Studio Synthetic Series. And this one's a size 6. So that was good for brushes there, a couple different sizes. A tiny little water container that I recycled. And then of course my palette. This one's from Jackson's Art as well. And I have a larger one. I brought the tiny one with me. Let's see what else we have, because definitely some journals to write down ideas for videos. And let's see here, as far as palettes, I brought my Pretty Excellent one because there's a ton of colors in here. A little pop out there. So I brought that one. And then this has like a nice rainbow set as well. A wide variety of colors to choose from depending on what I'm doing. This is the Art Philosophy Tropicals, and then I have a couple extras added in there as well. So that was the palettes. And, well, of course you need tape for watercolor. All this stuff. Definitely scissors for cutting paper. And then, depending on what I'm doing, my compass there. This is like Mary Poppins over here. And let's see, definitely need a fine liner for illustration. This is just a uni pen, the size 0.8. Definitely need the water pens. They come in handy on the go. A white jelly pen, just a regular, my Derwent pencil. And then this cheap little set, just in case if I need some different variations for sketches before I do the actual watercolor. And somewhere around here is my kneaded eraser. There's that one. Let's see what else is floating around here. We'll get some CBD oil. Can't go anywhere without that. If you know, you know. And I think that's about it. Well, that is definitely a lot of stuff, but let's see here. Some of them are definitely favorites. I could go through that quick. Let's see the fine liner. Looks like I forgot my white gouache. That's okay. Let's see what else. Anything else I'm missing here? Definitely the Pretty Excellent. I always recommend that. And again, I'm just doing a lot of sketchbook artwork at the moment. I didn't bring any of my professional stuff with me because that's not the type of work I'm doing on the go. Let's see, definitely notebooks. This little dish, again, this is a favorite. It's not heavy either. It's ceramic, but it's not heavy. Favorite brushes. Let's see, I would probably recommend the size 8, the silver black velvet, or the Princeton. These are pretty close. The silver black velvet one was definitely more expensive, so if you're on a budget, you can go with the Princeton one. But size 8, size 6, 12 is definitely bigger backgrounds, but again, you don't have to take as many. You can take 1 or 2. I just do so many different things. Or if you were, depending on, you could just put the water in your little barrel here and have your cheaper watercolor pens. They come in handy too. But yeah, so I thought I would show that really quick. And I have more tutorials coming up as well. I have some landscapes and yeah, some landscapes. You can leave a comment down below if you're looking for something in particular. I think I'm going to do some more with like celestial stuff with the moon and stars. That would be fun. And you can let me know if you want more florals. And let's see, for Saturday upcoming, I have the Caran d'Ache, the watercolor crayons. So those are really fun to use. I don't have them with me, but I will show them on Saturday. So thank you so much for joining in today, and be sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time.